Happy Friday morning to you. Thank you for following me through this week, kind of see what I'm doing. Today I want to add some authentication to my commenting system on my site. I want to be able to let people log in, create an account, and post some comments to blog posts that I'm making. It's actually the reason why I haven't been making very many posts is because I've been trying to build out these features. And I think it'll be cool because I want to add tons of other facets to this site. I'd love to share music, photos, videos, stuff like that, just culture related to things that I'm interested in. Allow other people to interact with it on like a much more organic level where it's the people that I know who are interacting with me rather than just, you know, Facebook or YouTube, whatever. I want to have something that's mine, that has like my own personal culture and my own touch to it. And plus, I just think it's a really great way to learn how to make a website when you're doing something that you're interested in. Like, I'm so interested in using the YouTube API, Facebook API, Twitter API. I'm really excited to get into those things. It's just right now I want to build out like a basic, fun site for people to interact with. This is pretty cool now. I can see comments on the blog here, and the edit and delete buttons don't show up. I'm logged in currently as Evan's clone, which is like a fake user that I made. And I'm going to put in a comment here that says, I like it too. So I post my comment. Oh, look at that. Yes, I figured it out. So now I can drop in here. I'm still logged in as Evan's clone, and I can make a comment. I can go parent and add parent comment here, and then add a child comment here. So these are my comments under my user account. Now I can delete the children, only my children in this model, and now I can delete the parent one, and each one gets deleted individually. So pretty awesome that I got this all working. I'm really excited. Hopefully you go to my site, make some comments. Alright, it's about 6:26 and I got done with my workout, just had some breakfast. I really want to show you guys some stuff I was doing in GIMP. This is a picture that I snapped from my vlog yesterday. And as you can see, I'm working on this section right here with this layer called eyes. So let's just drop these out. Here's the original image, and as you can see, my eyes are kind of dark. I was able to create a new layer, and on that layer I made a selection in which I cut out just the eyes. So I'm going to turn these off here. You can see it's just my eyes here. And what I did is I went into colors and levels, and I adjusted the levels, and I moved the white point. You can't see it now, but I moved the white point more towards the middle of the histogram, so it really whitened up my eyes, made them kind of clear. And then I went to hue and chroma and definitely enhanced the green in them. So if you look at this picture, enhanced, not enhanced, definitely a difference there. Definitely more white. You can tell I did it. I'm still working on my technique for selecting things, but pretty cool. I think for the rest of the time I really want to work through this GIMP course, see what type of things I can pick up on, and just work through the rest of these lectures. I'm trying to get this done before classes start my master's program Monday. I'm super excited about that. So I just was working on this model's photo. It's pretty cool. I've learned how to use the dodge and burn tool, which is this tool right here. You can alternate between dodge and burn by pressing the control key. Basically with these settings I was able to lighten up the model's skin and darken the darker parts of the image. So right now it probably looks like a pretty good picture because, I mean, it's a pretty good model anyways. But if I turn this off, you can see that the image just loses a little bit of flare. It's kind of nice when you lighten it up. It gives it like this more professional look. Okay, so here's the thing. It's Friday, and I worked Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I get up at 3 and I do that. Then the weekend's mine. That's my personal choice. Like, some people want to work through the weekend. For me, I just think it's monotonous. If I can do anything on the weekend, it's just extra. I'm not really making a schedule on the weekend. I'm not trying to stick to doing all these things on the weekend. But in exchange for having the weekend, what I do is I get up super early throughout the week and I take care of my stuff all throughout the week so I don't have to worry about it. Hey, how's it going? I just got home. It's about 4:34. I've been working through this tutorial on how to make professional flyers. I know that seems kind of weird, but I really want to know how to make professional flyers because we do have a developer meetup here in Augusta. We have a meetup and people come and talk about code, projects that they're working on, and it's on August 29th and it goes from 6 to 7:30. I need to build out my schedules again on my site because they all got deleted, but we're gonna have a meetup and I want to have like nice, cool flyers that people are gonna probably share because I'd love to have more people come to these events. I think that we underutilize the amount of tech that we have in this community, and I think that people who come to these events are pretty surprised when they see how many people are at these events who are experienced, who can answer questions, who are comfortable in tech, and they kind of have an interesting perspective on technology, programming, jobs, job searching, building things, everything, you name it. So that's going to be a really cool event, and I want to work on making a cool flyer. But also I need to edit my vlog, the video vlog from yesterday, put out my podcast, and my microphone wasn't working, so I had to try and fix that one up. I'm going to work on video editing, my podcast, and making this flyer. Hopefully I'll be done in about an hour or two, and then be able to enjoy the rest of my evening. Okay, I'm in the middle of exporting that vlog. Thank you for watching. This is going to be the end of this vlog, but stay tuned for next week because I'm going to try and repeat the same exact thing all over again.